Sky's the limit at Marksman Training.
Okay. Now, so under your left arm right
like
here.
the first week of quitting them.
Oh yeah.
Dude, in the mornings I was having migraines.
Hey, Scott, did you get this? They forgot something. We're sending it back. No way. I
They
swear to
forgot
God.
a buckle.
For the buckle.
For the, yeah.
It's just dragging on the ground, you know? I'm like, is there a way to keep this thing from dragging on the ground? He's like, yeah, you. Oh. Oh, dang it. That's what they forgot.
How's your arm? The ropes in, but didn't put them where they should be. Okay. So we've got to adjust that. We're not going to have the time to do it right now. Let's go fly.
I want you guys to land in a south approach. So we know we're not going to land at the circle. We're going to land over from the circle where we discussed. Okay? Everyone can see the little trail that goes from the circle to the breakdown area over there?
Mm-hmm.
And also, gentlemen, you'll be breaking down your glider on the far side over there, so just follow lead. You'll see where the guys are taking their gliders to, okay?
Okay.
You'll also get to see where they're going to land at, so then you guys can land over there. And I want you to pick out a very specific spot, because there is no spot out there, is there?
Yeah.
So you need to find one and focus on one. You always have a spot. You never just say, oh, I'll land over there, because you're going to land somewhere over there.
Okay.
Maybe
in a tree.
That's where I'm going to land. I literally find a blade of grass to land on every single time. Narrow your field of vision down, okay?
Okay.
All right. You are concentrating the spot, glancing forward. The spot, glancing
Pull
forward.
down a bunch to get back.
Making that determining
okay.
factor of when it is I need to turn in to go land.